Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid lines in your camera. These simple guides are a powerful tool for improving your photography composition. They help you visualize your frame, ensuring your subjects are placed effectively and your images feel balanced. Activating them is usually a quick setting in your camera or phone, and it makes a huge difference. The rule of thirds is a fundamental compositional guideline. Instead of placing your main subject dead center, try positioning it along one of the grid lines, or, even better, at an intersection point. This technique adds visual interest and leads the viewer's eye through the image, making your photos much more engaging and professional looking. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more photography insights. On another note, after a long day of shooting, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. One of the most common mistakes is a crooked horizon. Grid lines are your best friend here. Use the horizontal lines to ensure your horizon is perfectly level. Similarly, align vertical elements like buildings or trees with the vertical grid lines to prevent a skewed appearance. This simple step instantly elevates the professionalism of your shots. Beyond the rule of thirds, grid lines can assist with more advanced compositions. Think about using them to create leading lines that draw the eye into your scene or to balance different elements within your frame. You can also intentionally break the rules for creative asymmetry. They are a guide, not a rigid law, so experiment freely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.